there, all my chef wannabes out there. Welcome to another cooking show with your host Tony. I know the weekend is coming. The kids are gonna be home. You're probably thinking, what am I gonna give them for breakfast in the morning? As a tradition in my house, sometime when I do have the time, I like to treat my kids to a waffles. But the Liege waffle, a bit different than your regular waffle that you will get usually with a batter. So this waffle is mostly made out of dough, right? So it's very particular to Europe, Belgium to be more specific. And if you haven't been in Europe, and if you ever get a chance to go to Belgium, I will tell you this, you need to try their waffle. It is just simply amazing. And the first time that I had it, I was like, you know what? This is something that has to go into my repertoire. The difference between a Liège waffle and a regular waffle, one, you will have the batter, and second of all, what makes the Liège waffle so delicious is this little pearl sugar. You cannot make the Liège waffle if you don't have pearl sugar, and it's not a type of sugar that you will probably put in your tea or coffee because it's very hard to bite. But however, whenever it gets on the waffle pan, the heat helps it to caramelize, and it just gives your waffle that crunchy exterior that you crave in a waffle, at least for me. So we have our butter. We're going to be using about 12 tablespoons of butter, about 3.5 cups of flour. We have 3/4 cups of milk that we're going to heat up, that we are going to process with our yeast over here, which is about 2 teaspoons of yeast that I have over here 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 eggs, and I have my 1 teaspoon of salt on the side. I hope you guys are ready. Let's get baking. So I'm going to take it to the microwave for a quick melt.